Hey guys, so I've got a little update, and no, I'm not dying or anything, I hope. I've decided I am not going to be uploading as frequently anymore. I've got a few reasons for this. The biggest reason is I want to focus quality over quantity. That's the biggest focus here. Two, with Bush Life, the main series, concluding the main project, it's not something I can rely on to just get video after video over, and I don't want to just pump out video after video of nothing really happening. There will still be episodes documenting the bush taking back over, but they will be few and far between. So that leaves me in a bit of a spot of what do I do next? And this is something I knew this was coming for a while, and it's got to that point, and I don't quite know. Now, I've got a few little videos here and there over the next month planned. I will be making a return to Mountain Life episode 6 soon, so do look forward for that one. We'll see if after half a year the tent is still standing in my hidden spot. But yeah, I don't really know where to take things next. Now, don't worry, I will figure something out. I just don't know what I want to do yet, I guess. Over the course of this month, I will be uploading a short daily. This is part of a big bushwalk I did about a week ago, and I made a 31 episode short series out of it. So do look forward to that over all of this month. But in terms of the big main videos, that's what I'm talking about here. And when I do it, I want it to be good. I want it to be worthy of a video. So if uploads are a little bit less in future, this is why. It's because I'm focusing on what's the best video I can make and how can I make it the best video possible. So yeah, that's the main reason for this. And also, I've decided to stop pre-recording videos in advance. Because recently I've actually put up a buy me a coffee thing. You guys can join that membership if you want, and if you do, your names will appear at the end of the video. So that's another reason for this. So in order to do that, I need to film one video at a time, essentially. But yeah, that's pretty much the update. That's all I wanted to say. I guess I'll see you guys. I've got a few ideas. It's just a matter of which one I'm going to execute first. So I guess I'll see you guys in Mountain Life episode 6. Stay tuned, and yeah, I can't wait to show you what I think up of when I get a good idea.